Hey there, YouTube friends. I have a small job to do. So I bought this Hyper Tough brad nailer from Walmart for about $29. It's an 18 gauge and shoots up to 2-inch brad nails. The brad nailer comes with 218 gauge 1.5-inch brad nails, lubricating oil, and the instruction manual. You could use up to 2-inch 18 gauge brad nails with this nailer. And what I noticed when I took it out of the box is the nailer itself has a good amount of weight to it. So we're going to check it out right now. To load the gun, I just push down on this lever. Put the brad nails in just like that. Close it up. Now I'm going to connect it to my Porter Cable air compressor. And if you'd like to see a review of this compressor, I'll put links in the description box and I'll give you an end screen at the end of this video. All right, now I'm going to test it out. I'm going to turn this wheel over here a little bit so the depth sinks below the wood a little bit. All right, now for this project, all I'm doing is attaching 1/4-inch cedar to the wall. So let's give this Hyper Tough nail gun a test. The Hyper Tough nail gun worked out well for this project. We had no problems with it. I don't know if you'd want to use it every day on the job, but if you're going to do a woodworking project once in a blue moon, this might be an affordable way to go at 29 bucks and change from Walmart. And if you'd like to see this whole project that we just did, I'll put a link at the end of the video. Please subscribe. I'll catch you next time.